Good morning. Welcome to Every Crystal Garage.
Yes.
New one.
Yep. What are we doing today?
So today we're gonna fix those lights up there, and we're gonna put in new ones.
Yep. Not working on the poor Studebaker, which I got all the parts for. The bike doesn't need worked on.
So this is our new garage.
Go ahead. I'll follow you.
This is your new garage. So Dad's been putting in these lights, but he still needs to put in that one. Ain't that right, Dad?
Yep, he put the lights in.
And we only have 2 more to put in.
Yep. Don't have any time for any truck projects.
Yeah.
This one needs
Studebaker project.
wire and body work. Studebaker needs put together. Got all the parts for it. Speed truck, I'm not sure what we'll do with it still. Debating on rebuilding the transmission. Or I got everything for 5-speed, but then I got rebuilt the 5-speed. So I don't know. Side by side's been fun. Been doing a lot of side by side riding. And R-Max is a pretty nice machine. I mean, the kids been enjoying that and the holidays, and I've been working a lot here lately. I work further from home, so I can't do anything in the evenings. But we're going to try to get this garage, the lights and the receptacles wired up today, so I can start arranging and hopefully get back on some car projects. But I still got plenty of construction work to do. I got to move. I got to make a ramp still, and I get my lift to install. Bunch of stuff going on in the garage. So that's slowing this project, slowing down the rest of my projects. But it'll be pretty nice once it's done. I have my own place. My own big place. Little garage worked good, but my dad's supposed to be over here sometime. Oh, what is that? That's a bug. Dad's supposed to be over here sometime here this morning, waiting on him. I guess before he starts on my project, I gotta work on one of his projects. So, we'll see what that entails here in a little bit. Record your little song, yeah. What's he doing?
Road, take me home to the place.
What are you doing? Get back it in.
Virginia, Mountain Mama.
Why are you back it in?
Take me home.
Right. Huh?
Country roads.
Probably.
You aren't doing anything.
I know.
You have to do stuff, Dad.
I did do stuff.
Yeah, but even more.
I ran that wire this morning.
Well, Papa has some work to do. But
The switch is going up to the lights. Power comes down from the lights and then back up to the lights.
Oh, I see where it's hidden now.
You know what I'm saying now? Don't record all that.
Yeah, record all of it. That's the good stuff in Dad's yelling at me.
I'm not yelling. Just being real.
why did you take 2 minutes to get?
All right. Now we'll see where this is going.
You want a meter?
No, it should light up the. Should be a light on that. That's hooked up. That's hooked up. Now this one's going over here, right?
All right, get all the wiring done for the lights. Tom.
Yeah, all
Still gotta get anybody to send me another light. Lights work, huh? It's all done. Now we're ready to start working and putting the lift in.
Look, even the stairs.
That way we can start working on
And then we
vehicles
need,
again.
and then we need to put the stairs over there. The other main door.
Yep.
Barn door.
Alright, still working on the garage. Not really working on the garage. We have mostly cleaned up. Today, in between the rainstorm, I've finally been trying to get my... I already did that part. Trying to get this lift unloaded and put in the garage here. Maybe
Yeah, but they don't have any wheels.
maybe try to start assembling.
Yeah, but they don't have any wheels, right?
No. Maybe try to start assembling it next week.
No wheels.
But right now we're going to hook the side by side to it and try to pull it off. Then I gotta get back to Mom and Dad's, get an air compressor, and hopefully get an air compressor and the rest of the parts for this and a tractor so I can lift it up in here.
And hopefully we get all the stuff and time to take out his garage.
Yeah?
The battery.
I don't know. Need a new battery. Yeah. That went awful. But they're off. So now it's back to Mom and Dad's. They get the tractor and the compressor, and we'll set it all inside. That should be enough. All right, loaded up and ready to go.
I want to say hi. Hi, I got popcorn and I learned about Disney.
Well, I literally forget how YouTube. I'll make a video, I guess. But yeah, I already set one up by myself. Me and Dawn did. Everything's unloaded off the trailer. Tractor's here. We got an air compressor here now. I think I'm gonna put it outside, not 100% sure on that. So let's go ahead and get this other one in position here and start putting it up. Still feel strong, huh?
So high. How high did it go? How high did it go?
Huh?
How high did it go? How high? Like really high?
Really high.
So high that I can go up there?
Hey buddy, is there a rock or anything there?
What? Where?
Underneath this platform.
No? Why?
You don't see any rock or anything there?
No, I just see dirt.
Dirt.
There you go. That's good.
Yeah.
It's pretty high. Man, I don't want to.
Close. Lights up. Set that up right. Seen the sunshine once today. This is what I've been fighting with all day trying to get this done. I got it done.
Bolt the pole down. Dad.
All right, back on the lift here. Had my camera on. I just carried that up to the top there. So now I'm gonna start putting my pulleys in. One side and then go to the other side. Square it up and then drill my holes and then shim it before I tighten it up. Jordan. All right, I'm in leveling and measuring.
What did you say?
This beam's.
More Andy's Crafto Garage.
Yeah, this beam's ready. So start drilling on this down here.
Yep.
So we get this one side anchored and we'll get the other side measured out and leveled here directly.
Yep. Thank you for watching. Okay. Y'all good? Okay. Here we go. You'll be right here. And I'll be hanging on to you. Here we go. Woohoo! Look at this cool truck. Chair. We got boxes. Look at all that strap right there. A blue shovel, look out!